When collaborating with international partners, it is important to be mindful of things and know the do's and don'ts of a country. Let us tackle a specific country where it's essential for both organizations to be open and culturally aware of its background culture and their practices. Isn't that right, Rennie?
Absolutely, Maggie. What about the country of South Korea? It is a vibrant and dynamic country located in East Asia, renowned for its rich history, technological advancements, and cultural influence. Despite its advanced and developed nation, it faces various psychological challenges.
I agree, Rennie. One significant issue is the prevalence of stress and pressure in South Korean society, particularly among students and workers, especially in the field of entertainment. The intense focus on academics, career success can lead to high levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. In this tutorial video, we are going to talk about the do's and don'ts when we visit South Korea for a meeting with regards to addressing the current issue in breaking the stigma mental health awareness. We have partnered up with YCPS Korea to discuss an important agenda wherein both cultures apply and help raise the awareness of mental health.
This gesture shows politeness and respect. Bowing is a common form of greeting in Korea and is an important part of Korean culture and etiquette.
Good day to each and everyone. May I introduce to you the head of YPCS Korea, Mr. Han Gok-ju.
May I also introduce his team, Ms. Chan Baek-sui and Ms. Eun Jae-lee.
By pronouncing the person's last name, it simply shows the respect and formality you are showing when introducing them or simply calling out their name.
As shown, these are the ways we can raise awareness for our campaign. What do you think, Bob?
The usage of names is governed by strict norms in traditional Korean society. It is considered rude to address people by their given name, especially in a formal meeting. Using both hands when giving or receiving something is also a form of formal manner. This specifically applies whenever you're giving or receiving something from a senior or anyone above you in age, rank, or position. That's a wrap.
We hope this tutorial video enlightens you with regards to the basic etiquettes in communicating whenever you are planning to visit South Korea.
To sum it all up, here are the do's and don'ts when communicating in South Korea.
안녕히 계세요.